When you're baking, your measurements are very important. This is called Connections Café. We're going to be making some cinnamon bread from scratch. We have a new group of students for this quarter. We serve the public when Roper Mountain's open to the public, which is afternoon adventures and summer adventure. And while doing that, we have 6 or 7 high school students that come from all the Greenville County high schools, and they work with us for 9 weeks at a time and train to work in a kitchen. We'll swirl our cinnamon down into our dough.
I think it'll help me in the future. We have been going to the farm, and then we've been learning how to cut and cook and how to keep everything clean.
All right, now remember, be careful reaching in there. Throughout the 9 weeks, we focus on each student and help them build their skill levels so that when they leave here, they're ready for long-term quality employment. Now pull a straight line down the middle.
It was amazing because it's opportunity for me to start this program.
There's so many amazing things that come out of this program every 9 weeks, but the biggest thing we see consistently over the last 5 years is the amount of confidence that these young people gain while they're here. We have several students employed in the school system already, and we are so proud of this program.